Hi, it's Joel in the tool room over at PSM. Just wanted to talk to you today about a issue that we solved over here by installing this key box. Before, we had multiple locations where keys were located, and there was no accountability of who had any key or who was driving a vehicle. And now, with this key box, they're all located in one area. Find it and we'll check you out over here. So it solves a couple problems, a couple of waste. Doesn't eliminate it, but it reduces a little bit of weighting and motion. The motion is the people moving around trying to find the keys in multiple locations, now here in one location. So I'll create an Excel spreadsheet, and whenever you check out a key for a vehicle or for a lock, I will bring you over here and I will put your name on that key. For accountability purposes, we know who has the key right now and who had the key last, just in case there's something wrong with the lock or the vehicle. We know who to talk to, who had it last.